Imagine this, you're cruising in a brand new Japanese car, shiny and modern, expecting all the smart engineering, reliability, and thoughtful design these brands are famous for, but suddenly, something feels off. A simple, practical feature you relied on is missing. Maybe it's a spare tire, a tactile knob, or a sensor you thought would warn you. For years, Japanese automakers removed features in the name of cost, cutting, minimalism, and progress, replacing them with software, touchscreens, or sealed components. On paper, it looked smart, but in the real world, drivers were paying the price. Insurance claims rose, mechanics shook their heads, and frustrated owners flooded forums with complaints. Now, after years of subtle backlash, these features are quietly making a comeback. Today, we're going to dive deep into 10th of Japanese car features that disappeared, caused headaches, and are now returning. Shop, tested, expert approved, and designed to save you stress, money, and even safety. Stick around, some of these will surprise you. Number 1. Physical climate controls. Imagine this, you're driving at 70 mmF, the sun blaring through the windshield, and you need to adjust the temperature. Modern minimalistic Japanese interiors often replace knobs and switches with touchscreens. You swipe, tap, and wait, taking your eyes off the road for several seconds. At highway speeds, that's hundreds of feet traveled blind. Automakers claimed cost savings of 40–60 per vehicle, but the trade-off? Safety and usability. Physical knobs allow you to adjust temperature with muscle memory, without even looking. Honda and Nissan are quietly bringing these back in new trims. Mechanics emphasize that tactile feedback isn't nostalgia, it's risk prevention. Minimalism looked futuristic, but in real-world driving, it just created frustration. Number 2. Full-size spare tires. Here's a scenario. You're driving down a remote mountain pass, sidewall blowout in extreme heat, and you open the trunk expecting a spare. Instead, there's a tiny air compressor and a bottle of sealant. That won't help a shredded sidewall. Automakers removed spares to shave weight and claim minor fuel gains, but roadside assistance data shows tire failures remain among the top causes of breakdowns. Full-size spares are quietly returning in SUVs, crossovers, and even sedans. A 100 spare might seem trivial to a manufacturer, but in reality, it can prevent hours of stress, dangerous roadside situations, and expensive towing. Mechanics agree. Redundancy isn't optional, it's essential. Number 3. Transmission dipsticks. Sealed transmissions labeled lifetime fill sounded convenient until a fluid issue arose. Without a dipstick, many drivers had no way of detecting early signs of wear. Thousands of dollars later, repairs proved the flaw in the design. Older models allowed easy inspection, letting owners catch small issues before they became catastrophic. Now, brands like Toyota and Honda have restored service access points. A 250 fluid service can prevent a 4,000 rebuild, a clear example of why shop-tested transparency beats convenience every time. Mechanics consistently warn that sealed systems often hide small problems until they become expensive disasters. Number 4. Real oil monitoring. Oil life monitors sound smart, but most modern sensors don't chemically test the oil. They estimate remaining life using mileage, engine cycles, and temperature. Towing a trailer, repeated short trips in cold weather, or summer heat can degrade oil faster than the algorithm predicts. The result? Engines wearing out before the dashboard even signals a warning. Some newer Japanese models are now returning to sensors that directly measure oil condition. Following the severe service schedule in your owner's manual is still critical. Real monitoring saves engines, reduces repair costs, and prevents the frustration of unexpected breakdowns. Number 5. Adjustable lumbar support. Many base trims removed adjustable lumbar support to save 10 or 20 per seat. The assumption? Every driver has the same spine. Reality? Long drives, delivery routes, and commutes showed chronic back pain and fatigue. Mazda, Toyota, and Honda have restored both manual and electric lumbar adjustment in newer models. Shop, proven advice. Proper lumbar support reduces fatigue, improves long-term posture, and prevents chronic discomfort over thousands of miles. This small feature dramatically improves driver well-being, especially for people spending hours behind the wheel. Number 6. Headlight washers. LED headlights are brighter, more efficient, but they produce less heat. That means ice, snow, and road salt coat the lenses quickly in winter climates. Without washers, visibility can drop by 50% or more, creating a hidden safety hazard. Japanese manufacturers are reintroducing headlight washers in premium trims, particularly for models sold in snow-heavy regions. Mechanics confirms, clean lenses equal safer night driving, fewer accidents, and peace of mind in challenging conditions. Skipping a 150-200 washer system may save the manufacturer pennies, but can cost you in safety. Number 7. Sound deadening material. Cabin noise is subtle but critical. Some Japanese sedans and crossovers reduced insulation to save Luther 120 per vehicle. The result: louder cabins, driver fatigue, and more stressful highway drives. Independent tests show some mid-2010 sedans were quieter than their 2020 successors. Mazda CX-90, Nissan Murano, and other recent models now feature improved insulation. Quiet cabins aren't just luxury, they reduce cognitive load, improve focus, and make every mile safer and more comfortable. Number 8. Manual transmission options. Manual transmissions almost disappeared in mainstream Japanese sedans, with manufacturers claiming low demand. The truth: enthusiasts wanted manual gearboxes, but only on stripped trims without leather, premium audio, or safety features. Toyota's GR Corolla and Honda Civic Type R proved that proper packaging sells. Mechanics at manual gearboxes are simpler to maintain, provide better driver engagement, and help preserve engine longevity. Choice isn't a gimmick, it's customer loyalty in action. Number 9. Real leather interiors. Synthetic leather replaced genuine leather to cut $200-400 per vehicle. While synthetics are durable, they don't breathe, age, or develop character. Real leather adds comfort, longevity, and premium feel. Upcoming Toyota and Lexus trims are expanding real leather options after years of customer feedback. Experts note genuine leather holds resale value, resists wear, and gives the tactile satisfaction that synthetics cannot replicate. Luxury buyers expect authenticity, and manufacturers are finally listening. Number 10. Serviceable parts instead of sealed assemblies. Modern sealed components, LED tail lamps, sensors, or motors, often cost thousands for a minor failure. Older Japanese cars allowed component-level replacement, saving money and reducing repair time. Now, automakers are slowly reintroducing modular, serviceable parts in new models. Right to repair legislation, customer feedback, and warranty data are driving this change. Mechanics confirms, one small failure should not require a full VUN 500 replacement. Restoring serviceable parts keeps long-term costs down and builds trust. For nearly 2 decades, Japanese cars sacrificed usability, comfort, and durability for cost-cutting, minimalism, and progress. But driver complaints, warranty claims, and mechanic feedback forced a rethink. These 10 features: climate controls, full-size spares, dipsticks, real oil monitoring, lumbar support, headlight washers, sound insulation, manuals, leather, and serviceable components, are quietly returning, combining reliability, safety, and enjoyment. Now I want to hear from you. Which removed feature frustrated you most in your Japanese car? Comment your country and model, and tell me which car feature you want me to explore next. If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe for more insider car knowledge, and share this video with anyone who loves practical, real-world car insights.